Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Anxiety and stress can significantly impact your quality of life and overall well-being. Today's video is about how to manage stress and anxiety effectively. From work pressures to personal relationships, it is essential to have effective strategies to manage stress and anxiety. Now, as a certified personal trainer, health, wellness, and fitness coach, I have seen the negative effects of stress and anxiety on the body and also mind. In this video, I will discuss the 10 essential lifestyle habits to manage anxiety and stress. These habits include physical activity, healthy eating, mindfulness, quality of sleep, entertainment, journaling, stress management techniques, social support, and last but not least, seeking professional help when necessary. Now, by incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps to manage stress and anxiety and improve your overall mental and physical health. Now, before I share the 10 essential lifestyle habits to manage anxiety and stress, I will share information about how anxiety and stress can impact your quality of life. Chronic stress can lead to a range of physical and emotional symptoms, including headaches, muscle tension, fatigue, irritability, depression, even difficulty sleeping. And also, it has long-term effects, such as risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease, and as I mentioned, even depression. Anxiety can also cause physical symptoms such as rapid heartbeat, sweating, and trembling, and interfere with your daily activities and social relationships. Therefore, everyone, it is crucial and imperative to have effective, healthy strategies to manage stress and anxiety to improve your health and well-being. Next, I will share the 10 essential lifestyle habits to manage anxiety and stress. 1. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can reduce stress and anxiety by releasing endorphins. Endorphins is a powerful hormone that we have that helps with the body's regulation. It helps the body. It's a feel-good chemical. And it helps with your overall quality of life and improve your overall quality of life, as I mentioned. And also, it's a great way to manage stress and anxiety. 2. Get adequate sleep. A lack of sleep can increase stress and anxiety levels, making it difficult to manage daily tasks. Try to aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. And adequate sleep is great for your blood regulation and also promotes relaxation. 3. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a form of meditation that focuses on present moment, allowing you to become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. This practice can help you manage stress and anxiety by promoting relaxation and reducing negative thinking patterns. Yoga is another way to manage stress and anxiety. In addition, listening to calming and positive music can assist with practicing mindfulness. I love listening to positive and calming music daily. 4. Deep breathing exercise. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and anxiety levels by promoting relaxation and reducing tension. Take deep breaths. Slow breathe. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. 5. Journaling can have a positive and healthy impact on a person's life. Writing down thoughts, feelings, and experiences in a journal can help individuals process and cope with stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues. Journaling can also help individuals gain insight into their emotions, identify negative thought patterns, and set goals for personal growth. Regular journaling can also improve cognitive function and memory, promote creativity, and even enhance problem-solving skills. Furthermore, journaling can be a safe and private space to explore oneself without fear of judgment and criticism from others. Overall, journaling is a simple and effective way to promote mental and emotional health and overall health well-being. Journaling is powerful, everyone. I journal. 6, have a well-balanced diet. Have a well-balanced diet, have a well-balanced lifestyle, which is, I would say, substantial when it comes to maintaining stress. Eat foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins to ensure your body receives the nutrients it needs to function properly. 7, limit caffeine and alcohol consumption. Caffeine and alcohol can increase anxiety levels and interfere with sleep patterns. Limit your intake or avoid them altogether to reduce the risk of triggering anxiety symptoms. 8, stay connected with loved ones. Powerful one as well, everyone. Stay connected with your loved ones. Social support is essential for managing stress and anxiety. Make time to connect with friends and family members who offer positive support and encouragement. Surround yourself around positive people. It goes a long way. 9, seek entertainment. Entertainment and fun can have a positive and healthy impact on a person's life. As mentioned, I'm in a certified industry. I'm a certified health, wellness, and fitness professional, so I understand the importance of having hobbies and activities that bring joy and relaxation into a person's life. Engaging in fun and safe activities can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, improve mood and mental health, and even enhance physical health. For example, participating in team sports or dance classes can improve cardiovascular health and coordination, while creative hobbies such as painting or music can improve cognitive function and promote relaxation. I love listening to music too. As mentioned, entertainment and fun can also improve a sense of social connectivity and community, which can be essential for overall well-being. Powerful. Therefore, it is essential to make time for enjoyable activities that bring you pleasure and help you maintain a healthy work-life balance. I started the WITT Entertainment in March of 2023 to provide a safe and fun space for individuals to relax and unwind. For those that may not know, WITT stands for We're in This Together. WITT Entertainment is becoming a popular event in the metaverse, which will be accessible relatively soon to those who don't have their virtual reality headsets. Yes, yes, you will have the opportunity to experience the WITT Entertainment from your cell phone. So to stay tuned for that, because literally we're in this together. So more information to come about WITT Entertainment. WITT Entertainment will be on multiple platforms. As mentioned, entertainment is a part of managing stress and anxiety. 10, last but not least, seek professional and, if necessary, professional help. Last but not least, it's great for anxiety management. And if it becomes unmanageable, seek professional help from a licensed professional, a licensed therapist, or a healthcare provider. They can provide guidance and support in managing symptoms and improving your overall mental health. Last but not least, in conclusion, managing stress and anxiety is essential for your overall health and well-being. Incorporating regular exercise, adequate sleep, mindfulness, a balanced lifestyle, limiting caffeine and alcohol intake, deep breathing exercises, entertainment, journaling, staying connected with loved ones, and seeking professional help if necessary are all effective ways to manage stress and anxiety. I want to say thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in to today's video. To the next video, everyone. Take care. Talk to you soon.